Hi, my name is Hlynur and I'm one of the co-founders and programmer of Boon Music. Many of you have played or play an instrument. These people know how hard it is to find someone to play with when you want to play. The idea for Boon Music came to the musician in the team when he was collaborating with was doing covers of interesting songs on YouTube. He then wished that there was a recording button so he could collaborate with those musicians. This is the problem Boon Music is going to solve. We are going to enable musicians all over the world to collaborate and make music together online. Also, our site features social media, online studio, and the possibility to take Boon Music with you wherever you are on your mobile phone. Here have I created a project with my guitar. I invited my friends to join me on this project. And now I want to add another guitar riff to the project. I press the big recording button. Another recording channel appears. When I am ready, I press start. The music starts. I play my guitar. When I am finished, I press stop. The recording uploads automatically to our website. Easy as this. Now me can share this wherever I want, on YouTube, Facebook, or wherever I want, as an ongoing project for others to participate in, or as a finished MP3 file. The system can also automatically calculate ownership of every musician who participates in creating this song. Now we have 50 to 100 people waiting to become our beta testers. We estimate that 30% of people in the world play an instrument. So in the US alone, we have 71 million musicians. On Facebook, we have 150 people registered as singers, songwriters, or musicians. So the market for this kind of software is big and has endless opportunities. So how are we going to make money? The three main revenues: subscription, advertising, and promoting artists. The site will be a subscription site with a freemium part. Also, we have the possibility of targeted advertisements. Like Yamaha has a new piano on the market. They target only piano players. Fender has a new guitar. They only target guitar players. To add value for the musicians to use our website, we have created a place on Boon Music for advertisement companies to request for jingles to buy from the musicians, which Boon Music will take percentage of. When we started, we had little competition. Now we have sites with similar software as ours. So why would people want to use Boon Music? We offer much more collaboration between musicians and the possibility for musicians to make money creating music. Our team. I am a programmer with 14 years of experience. David with 10 years of experience in the financial service. Carl, the musician, with a lot of experience in the music industry. So why are we here telling you about this idea? We are looking for help on marketing and continue developing our site. Join us creating music for the world, by the world. Thank you.